Well, the answer is prop efficiency is decreased. Let's find out why. Hello again. I'm Rich Klingman with PracticePart107.com. We're here to make drone certification feel less like a test and more like a pathway. Let's explore that question. So it's asking what effect high density altitude would have on the efficiency of a propeller. So high density altitude. So one of the things that confused me at first was thinking if the density is high, then it would seem like the propeller would work better. But that's not what high density altitude is. So the answer again is the efficiency is decreased. So here is reasoning why. Higher altitude, the air becomes thinner. So the three factors that are involved is high altitude, high temperature, high altitude, high temperature, high humidity all make propellers less efficient. High altitude, high temperature, high humidity equals lower efficiency. Here is the quick review slide. Make a good review card. Okay, you've got that question solid. Let's keep going. We've got hundreds more with clear explanations in multiple languages, plus unlimited practice quizzes and more. Please like and subscribe and visit us at PracticePart107.com. Learn fast, fly smart, test with confidence. Until next time, keep your props spinning and your mind sharp.